Welcome to the assembly instructions video for this Duke Tricycle by Dash Star. Inside the box of the tricycle, you'll find the main body, fork, wheel and pedal, seat, complete handle and backrest, fender, wheel, mudguard, training wheels, cell, and placing it on a flat surface. Next, place the fender onto the rear side of the frame and secure it with the help of a screwdriver. Unscrew the wheel nut from the rear wheel and insert it into the rear side of the frame as shown, and attach the training wheels and secure them with a screwdriver. Insert the fork into the front side of the frame. After that, insert the handle into the fork and lock it with the push button. Then tighten the knob. Insert the backrest and lock. Push button. Now finally, insert the seat on top of the frame and secure it as shown. And that's it. Your Duke Tricycle is now ready for fun. Happy walking.